Hi guys, welcome to this YouTube channel. If you're just joining this channel for the first time, make sure you smash the subscription button below and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first person to be notified when next put out the content on this YouTube channel. Alright, so in this video today, I'll be explaining how to use the multi-asset mode to trade BUSD margin futures. Okay, during this market downtrend, one of the ways you make steady profit for yourself is to trade the futures market, because with the futures market you can either go long or you go short on the market. You're making profit when the market is going down, and when you go long, you can make profit when the market is going up. So regardless of the market direction, if you've got your analysis right, you can make profit of the market. But then if you into futures trading, you most likely have been using the single asset mode, and that gives you some sort of limitation. I'll explain this subsequently. So I would explain how to use the multi-asset mode. Okay, so you can access this feature. So first of all, I want you to understand what multi-asset mode is. Okay, so I make reference to this article. Link to this article is in description of this video, so you can always go make reference to it as well for yourself. First of all, what is multi-asset mode? Okay, so it's a new trading feature that allows users to trade various crypto futures contracts using USDT or BUSD as collateral. All right. Before this mode was available, traders were required to trade in single asset mode, forcing them to allocate single positions for their portfolio into a specific coin, stable coin. That's why I said you're most likely using the single asset mode. So this video would explain how to transition you into the multi-asset mode. All right, so with the multi-asset mode, traders can now share their margin across USD margin and BUSD margin contract to experience a more diverse flavor of trading. With this multi-asset mode, you can share your portfolio into the USDT and BUSD margin. Okay, and you can trade both as well, even on the same pair. Okay, so and that's what makes it interesting. So you can hedge your risks. Okay, and that's what makes this feature very interesting. Here is what are BUSD margin features. Traditional crypto derivative trading is challenging endeavor by itself, but traders should know that with Binance feature, there's more on the menu than just plain old trading and margin trading. All right, so BUSD margin feature are a type of linear products that is quoted, collateralized, and settled in BUSD. Okay, and BUSD is Binance stable coin, which is Binance USD. All right, so the advantage of using this pair is traders are expected to enjoy lower fees and the maker rebates when using BUSD contracts. Fee discounts applied to using trading pairs such as BTC USD, ETH BUSD, BNB BUSD, and other sorts of BUSD perpetual contracts. So I'm going to explain how to I'm going to show us in practical way how to make use of this BUSD margin feature using the multi-asset mode. Like I said earlier, one of the interesting thing about this feature is that it gives you that advantage, okay, over the single asset mode, in a way that you can hedge your funds, okay, to avoid incurring bigger losses. Okay, for instance, now let's look at this scenario that is created in this article. So look at this. Okay, for instance, if a trader believes that BTC USD would take a loss due to an upcoming price drop in BTC, they could short a BTC USD contract. to counteract a potential loss. Okay, so let's say you held a long-term position. Meanwhile, you already held a long-term position valued at 50,000 BUSD in BTC. It means maybe you open a long position in BTC that is valued at 50,000 per unit of Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. After some technical analysis, you now discover that there will be an upcoming downtrend in the near term. By using multi-asset mode, hedging for this scenario is very simple. Like I said earlier, it gives you that advantage of hedging your funds. The way to bet against BTC and short it would be with a USD quarterly contract. Your position could simply be to trade half the size of your BUSD position into USDT. In other words, 25,000 USDT worth of BTC quarterly futures. Alright, so should the price of BTC fall 20%, the loss incurred in BTC BUSD would still amount to 10,000 BUSD. Your hedge, however, trading at half the value of your long-term position would serve to cushion the loss by USDT. So that makes sense because it gives you that hedge to manage your risks. All right. So let's get more practical with this whole explanation about the margin feature with BUSD and all of that. To begin with, the first thing you want to do first is to create an account on Binance, which there is link in description of this video where you can create your account on Binance and then sign up and do your verification, and then you would be eligible to make deposit and withdrawal and also trade on Binance exchange. Okay, so once you have done that, okay, this is my Binance account. I'm already signed in, so I wouldn't have to sign in anymore. So once you have done that, okay, what you want to do next is to go to your futures account. Go to your futures. We have spot and we have futures. So we're going to come here to USD margin futures, okay, because that's what we are focusing on today. USD margin futures. Okay, so this is USD margin futures, as you can see here. So once you have done this, the next thing you want to do is to transfer money from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Okay, so I'm going to transfer funds from my spot wallet to my futures wallet. Okay, so I'm going to transfer USDT to my account. I'm going to transfer USDT to my futures wallet. So to do that, I click here. I'm going to do a video that shows this full process on mobile. So I'm going to transfer some USDT from my fiat or spot wallet to my futures wallet. All right, so I now have available USDT. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is to divide this USDT. Okay, I'm going to divide this USDT, but then I'm still on I think I'm still on a single asset mode. So the next thing you want to do next is to switch this up from single asset. So I'm going to switch this up from single asset mode to multi-asset mode. All right, so we have done that. We have been able to switch that up. So I'm going to convert some of my USDT to BUSD. Okay, so it's going to be a 50-50. Convert 500 USDT from BUSD. Confirm. So I now have $500 in USDT and I have $500 in BUSD. So I'm going to switch this now to BUSD perpetual. So with this, I will be trading BUSD margin pairs and as well USDT pair. Okay, now let me explain how practical and how relevant this feature is. This is Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin chart, and as you can see, it's on a 1-day time frame, right? It's on a 1-day time frame, and we have it looks like BTC has held support. This is not financial advice anyway, but it looks like BTC has held a support. This explanation is meant for this video. Okay, it looks like BTC has held a support at about 30,000. So and I assume that, okay, since BTC has held some sort of support here, I can comfortably go long on this trade, okay, because I might be thinking, okay, BTC has held support here, and so go long on this trade. possibly to 33,000, 32,000 or thereabout. Okay, that's my projection. Can go long on this trade. Okay, but then after going long on this trade, I realized that there is a potential risk, okay, which is Bitcoin going back down to, let's say, 28,000 in the short term before it traces back to my targets, which is 33,000 here. Let's get back. All right, so I can open a long position from here. Don't forget, trade at a minimal risk. I want to open a long position. Okay, I'm going to reduce my leverage, let's say to 20x. So I'm going to take a position. I'm going to take a position right away. So I'm going to take a position on BUS, okay, a long position. And as well, I'll show you how to now take a short position as well, still on Bitcoin, but I'm going to use USDT as a hedge, okay, to hedge over any potential risks. But that's not to say that every time you open a long position, you should open a short position as well. This is just to explain that in the emergence of a potential risk, you can use your multi-asset trading feature to hedge against any potential loss. So I'm going to open a long position, all right, with this. I'm going to just use 1%. I'm going to use just 1%, okay, 1%, all right. So my take profit, like I said earlier, is 33,000. So my stop loss, I keep my stop loss at, let's say, 29,000, all right. So I'm taking a long position, right, last price, taking the last price of seller, all right. So I'm open a long position. As you can see, I have a long position right here, okay, and this is the size of my position. You can see currently it's already showing my my PNL, all right, for this particular trade. As you can see here, it's a long position. So like I was saying, that the emergence of a potential risk, possibly to 29,000 or so or thereabout, so I can open a short position, okay, to hedge against this risk. All right, so that's where this multi-asset mode become very interesting, okay, because I have already opened a long position on Bitcoin, and normally on a single asset mode you can't open another position on Bitcoin again. But with the multi-asset mode, it is possible now to open another position on Bitcoin. So all I simply do is I simply come here, I switch it to USDT. Okay, so I can simply come here and do same, find a position size. I can say 2% or 1%. All right, of my equity, or rather I can just use 1% since this is just safe for this video. All right, so take profits 29 or 28,000, 29,000, stop loss 33,000. Don't forget, everything I'm explaining here, it's safe for this video. 33,000, so stop loss 33,000. So I can open a short position. Okay, my order is yet to be filled. As you can see, it's not filled yet, but I hope it gets filled. Okay, yeah, it has been filled. So as you can see here, I have two positions currently open on BTC because I'm using the multi margin future. I have a long position open on Bitcoin using my BUSD, and I have a short position open on Bitcoin using my USDT margin future. So with this, I can guard against any potential risks on my trade. Okay, so guys, this is a quick guide on how to use the multi-asset feature on your mobile device. So this is your Binance account on your mobile device. So you just come to wallets, your features wallet. So I'm going to do exactly what I did here. I'm going to transfer from my spot wallet to my features wallet. Okay, transfer same amount of USDT. Transfer 1,000 from spot wallet to my USD margin. I can now convert $500. Convert $500 worth of USDT to BUSD. Okay, so now I have in USD, I have in USD, and I have in BUSD. So I can now, this is still in single mode, so I'm going to switch this up to multi-asset mode. Right, so with this I can now place trade using this multi-asset mode. I can place trade, I can go long on BUSD, and then I can now come here and look for to or search any. Then if I want to trade BUSD, I come here to USD perpetuals. Okay, all right, so I can do same, and I can trade USDT margin here. I can trade USDT margin here. I can trade BUSD margin here. So it's as simple as that. Okay, using the multi asset mode on your mobile device. All right. So that's how interesting this feature is. So you can use this position to guard yourself against any potential risks. But that's not to say you should go over leverage. Okay. So trade your minimal risks and trade smartly. Make sure you have done your necessary analysis before you enter a trade. So this is how to use your multi-asset mode. You can switch this up later. But I have to close all these positions since this was just meant to serve for this video. So I hope this video has served to show you how to make use of the multi-asset mode. So guys, if you have found this video quite educative, make sure you like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and like this video and share with your friends, share with your family, so they can learn about this feature on futures trading to help them hedge against impending loss on their trades. So make sure you like this video and share this video. I'll see you guys next time.